Hi, I'm Thomas Bezruki from Durham College, retired military veteran, TCCC medic, as well as multiple international tours and combat zones. I'm here to help support the Global Guardian project, led here by Violetta, and we're proud to support on behalf of Durham College. And we're just going to go over some kits in the basic IFAC kit, as well as the items that we're actually going to start packaging up in partnership with the program and the project to get to the front lines of Ukraine.
Thank you, Thomas. So let's go ahead and get started.
All right. Actually, there's a lot of things that we don't generally get out of our general first aid kits that you can purchase over the counter. A couple different things we're seeing is tourniquets. There's a lot of knockoff variations. We're talking specifically to the Cat 4 and Cat XT tourniquets, not some knockoff brands. So they're a little more expensive if you're going out to buy them yourselves. Trauma wound dressing at a very large size. We're not looking at the 2 or 4 inch, just to give that more adhesion and more trauma actual care, as well as a couple Israeli bandages, which is a high strength, almost similar to a tourniquet, wound dressing that can actually be utilized to actually tighten on and actually control the bleeding. We also have some hemostatic gauze. Generally, a lot of people, you can go and buy the 4 inch by 4 inch. However, for packing gunshot wounds or shrapnel wounds, you'll see the Z fold about 6 feet to 8 feet in length, much more effective to help clotting. As well as we have compact entry wound, which is a chest seal. Single valve. You can buy all kinds of different versions, but the self-adhesion is the key part with hemostatic agents as well. Medical shears. There's a lot of, they're not just basic scissors. A good pair will actually cost you more than $10, to say the least. A lot of things that we always forget: permanent markers for blood type or time of application of a tourniquet, and of course, nitrile powder-free gloves. Similar to something like this is how it'll be packaged and shipped, I believe. So yeah, this is pretty much as compact as you can get for front lines.
Got it. Okay, great. And then, so Thomas, why do we need these chest seals specifically? Because I have been told by some medical professionals as well that if you include a chest seal in your kit, then you also need to include the chest needle.
Decompression needle. Yeah.
Decompression needle. Do we need that with these chest seals?
A lot of people aren't trained to do it. Regardless, you're supposed to be a medical practitioner to actually apply these. These single vent ones will be enough for any normal civilian or individual to utilize prior to getting, surgical medical care. So single valve will still release all oxygen and carcinogens within the actual extremity. So.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Thomas. This is wonderful. And just so you guys know, when we put together these kits, sometimes we will be replenishing kits that already exist. So sometimes we will be ordering bulk of, let's say, tourniquets if some of the kits that have already been on the front lines are missing certain items. We are working with Sunnybrook Hospital. That was one of their recommendations, is to replenish things that have been missing in some kits. And then also we will be working with creating a kit, and our goal is 2,000 kits, but we will see how that works out. Thank you.